Just write the ticket. I don't want to hear anymore. Just write the ticket.
In Jamaica.
Just write the ticket. I don't want to hear anymore. You're telling me about give you money before then you can let me go. That don't make any sense. That don't make any sense. That don't make any sense. That don't make any. Just write the ticket. Just write the ticket. Just write the ticket. You're here talking and I have to go. Just write the ticket, bro. Like, just write the ticket. Holy fuck me, bro. Like, you getting upset for what? Just write the ticket. Like, life is short. Write the ticket. Just write the ticket. And you must write the ticket. Then you're still talking, like. Okay, so then you're still talking, like. Holy fuck. Before you write the ticket, let's write the ticket.
What's the state you live in?
It says everything on there. I need to know.
No, I don't know. I don't live in Canada.
Well, I don't know then. If you don't know, if you want to put that. Jesus Christ. I'm glad today's my last day. Oh.